If you want to make Google Chrome take up your entire screen in just a second, this video is going to help. In this tutorial, I'll show you the simple keyboard shortcut for Google Chrome full screen, and I'll also show you how to exit full screen just as fast. This is a really useful trick, whether you want a cleaner browsing view, more space for work, or a distraction-free experience while watching videos, reading articles, or presenting something on your computer. If you find this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, Start menu, or Applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, make sure the browser window is active so the keyboard shortcut works properly. Now here's the main shortcut. Press F11 on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Google Chrome will instantly switch into full screen mode. The tabs, address bar, and other browser controls will disappear, giving you a much larger viewing area. This is especially helpful if you want to focus on your content without extra distractions on the screen. If nothing happens when you press F11, don't worry. Some laptops use the function key for special shortcuts, so you may need to press Fn plus F11 instead. That tells the computer to use the full screen function rather than the laptop's default hardware setting. This is very common on compact keyboards and many modern laptop models. If you ever want to leave full screen mode, the process is just as easy. While Chrome is still in full screen, simply press F11 again. If you're using a laptop that needed the function key before, you may need to use Fn plus F11 again to exit. Once you press it, Chrome will return to normal window view right away. That's really all there is to it. With just one keyboard shortcut, you can enter and exit full screen in Google Chrome whenever you want. It's a quick, simple trick that can save you time and make browsing a lot more comfortable. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy computer tips, shortcuts, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.